I think they've got a little bit of a suspension problem.
What do you want me to do if they're in the middle of the road?
Well, he's gonna notice you eventually, so just get up real close behind him.
Where?
Get out of the middle of the road. You're in the middle of the road. You're in the middle of the road. She's learning how to drive. Please move over just a little bit. That's all I ask. Can you please just pull over to the side?
Oh, Lord.
Now you got a big semi. Come on, move.
Jesus.
Yeah, he'll run you over.
Crap. Was he trying to tell her to go around?
Yeah.
Yes, he was.
Just hold on.
Killed us.
Went around.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry.
You just thought it was okay to sit there in the middle of the road?
Yeah.
That he's effing you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Welcome to driving.